Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The trade secret is to fry your wings at a relatively low temperature, around 250 degrees, and then let them cool. That's going to make your wings everything you want on the inside, moist and tender.
Take our lead.
A few tablespoons of barbecue sauce will help stick. When I do wings, I mix barbecue sauce with Tabasco for the sauce and put it on after they've smoked at 250 for 1.5 hours, then finish the wings on the grill. Pre-sauce, I sprinkle the wings with garlic powder, salt, pepper, and cayenne powder.
Let's help you make your mark.
The most important part of getting the skin really crispy is having a good hot oven. That means preheating it to 425 degrees on convection. Convection baking circulates the air around the outside of the chicken as it cooks, so that it cooks faster, and allows it to become much crispier.
Let's help you make your mark.
The key to oven-cooked chicken wings is, basically, don't rely on the oven to do all the cooking for you. It won't get them anywhere near crispy enough. Bake too long and they'll dry out, too short and they'll be soggy.
Make your mark, take our lead.
But in general, the best way I have found to get crispy wings, and even crispy fried chicken, is A. Bread twice and B. Fry wings for a few minutes, pull them out of the oil to dry for a minute or two, you can hit them with a paper towel, and then drop them back in to finish frying.
Let's help you make your mark.
Bake for 18 to 20 minutes on the top rack of the oven. For crispy wings, bake for an additional 3 to 5 minutes. Remove from the oven with an oven mitt. Serve after they have cooled enough to handle.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.